Another vlog. Welcome to see you once again. Zagreb, Croatia. On our way sa bundok whatsoever. Samahan nyo kami. Together with my son.
Sabagay, economical lagi din, di ba? Hybrid na?
Kapatid. So see you kung saan man kami mapadpad. One day trip.
Good morning all. Elsa wanted me to video this one to specifically get the traffic and to
So
reiterate.
it's not just the Philippines who
There
gets
you
the
go.
bad traffic.
There you go.
Even
She
countries
thinks-
in EU
She
also
thinks
get
that she's in
traffic.
EDSA.
EDSA. What's EDSA?
And mind you, this is what? What time is this? Quarter to 5.
It's 5:09.
5:09.
5 already in the morning. And this is what we get.
Traffic.
Traffic.
At the moment we are here in Zagreb,
Croatia.
Croatia. We're on somewhere else.
In the boondocks.
There you go. That's all. Bye bye.
1 hour later.
There you go. We're back. Elsa said we have to do a justice of that bloody traffic. The reason for which is that
Toll gate.
at the tayon ijay ay kwa
Inlex.
NLEX Toll Plaza
R
Arfid girlin at dati Arfid yaw
Awanti RFID.
RFID? Tama ba yun?
Arfid dapat
So kukuha ng ticket.
dapat apa jay tuling cash iti bayad tayo. So nga medyo na
Oy, marami din. Oh, yan.
Traffic
Pala
din,
may traffic.
traffic di ba? Data van nga may nangunguhang mga bata blue dito eh. Mga white.
Oh, yun ang dahilan.
Jerome Morditi Zagreb ato ti traffic. Gamin met ka na di papananda.
Yun yung buwakong. Pag bata, estudyante ang kwa na.
Ito. Crush ni
Thank you.
Paula.
6:14 in the morning.
604.
Another hour. Oh, 6:04. I thought it's 6:14. Another hour to our destination. It's the destination.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Anak may es.
Teka, motor si Beta. Funking na.
Rest the
Rasta
baka.
Bacha.
Soon, ito lang bungad nan. Okay, we are here at Plitvice. Plitvice.
Nga awanti kasi din na JC.
Plitvica. Basta dito sa Ala Forest here. We will stay here for like 5 hours. So this is the national park of Croatia. Okay, I'll show you.
Don't travel la ville.
Ayan. All visitors should have valid admission ticket while staying in the national park. So ang bayad dito ay 56 Canadian dollars per head. So yung mga salita ay hindi ko maintindihan but meron yan English na English. So yan ang pupuntahan namin dito sa Croatia. See you around the area. It's like, I don't know how many hectares. Alamin natin later. May lake, may falls. Basta park na maganda. So, join us hanggang matapos. Malamlam venak. Malamig. Ang ganda ng floor. It's just kahoy. This is the entrance to the national park. Ganda-ganda. Ito yung mga favorite kong pinupuntahan. Yung nature talaga, hindi city. Ayan yung dalawa kong...
Nakaka-recommendate dito bago mo.
I don't have space actually. Ala, kahoy na kahoy, oh. Pawit mo kina Uncle King. Oops. Oops. So from the start is like 4 to 6 hours hanggang matapos. So bababa kami dun. Grabe ang baba pa. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go there. Let's go there. We go to S. I see. S. Diva, nagfintas. Maya, dahil tinafanan me. Sayang basit lang Jeff. No daga ito di nagkuan.
Wala ako.
Agpita kan
That's part of the adventure.
nagfita kan ano natural no hang anda nga inikan tikas toy. But it's very very good actually. Actually. Oh, look at that water. It says, do not feed the ducks. Whatsoever na makitang buhay dyan, huwag pakainin.
There's fish. Oh, there's
Oh, that's tilapia.
Calogero
Dubin.
box.
Oh. It's so beautiful talaga. Ang ganda-ganda. And there's the Fayas. And that's the water, the lake. Ay nako. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Very, very beautiful. Buti na lang talaga nandito ang aking anak. Tapos ang kapatid ko naman ay sabi niya, okay kung saan kayo pupunta, may off din ako, sasama ako. Galing siya ng UK and then, ayan, nagmi-meet lang kami dito sa Budapest Airport and then diretso kami dito sa Croatia dahil sa lugar na ito. It's like Plitvice National Park, Croatia. Novakovic abroad. Yung lake na nakita namin una ay malaki, then pababa kami ng pababa. Kaya yan, yung maraming tubig. And then sa taas, wow, my gosh, so beautiful. Okay. The Bilikislap Great Waterfall is the highest waterfall in Happy daw ang kapatid ko at ang aking anak. Ikaw ba naman, kung ikaw ay nature lover, talagang happy ka na dito. It's very, very cool talaga. So, 100% check.
Can you also record?
I-landscape mo din. I-landscape mo. 100% check. So whatever, kung anong meron dito talagang maganda. Ayan, ang ganda ko Tapos ang gagwapo nila dun sa likod dahil gwapo ang surroundings. Ayan. Let them go first. So done sa pinaka-highest na waterfalls dito sa Croatia. Ngayon paakyat naman kami sa mga marami pang lake na makikita. Lahat ng corner hindi nakakasawa dito sa National Park. Plitvice. Plitvice. Basta mahirap ibigkas. Plitvic. Plitvice. Is it cold? It's warm? Warm. Warm. Ala, nagpintas talaga. Sobra pintas na and the water is so warm. Sa ilalim ng dinadaanan namin, everything under water or in Ilocano, paiyas. Dumadaan din ang water sa ilalim ng anong tawag dito? Daanan or board. And it's totally wood. Nice. Nakakapagod man, pero masarap. Diba? Rico Suave.
Pentas.
Nagpentas unay. Diba, Peter? Oh, dito sa pader, dyan. Pader ay rock. And then, sa kabila ng pader, ang rock formation na lang ay lake. I think this is pang-apat na lake na ito. Ang ganda-ganda. If you can, come here in Croatia. As in, maganda at marami pang fish talaga. Slap water daw. Sipat. Yeah, it's slap waterfall, 6 meter. So it's really amazing. Talagang parang river lang siya, pero in every level ay merong parang ginawang pader-pader each. And then mag-fall na naman. It's everything waterfalls. Ang haba-haba. I think naglalakad na kami ng 30 minutes paakyat, and it's really beautiful. Must see dito sa Croatia. Another lake. I think this is the biggest. The lower lakes consist of Milanovac, Gavanovac, Kaluderovac, and Navukovic. These lakes are carved into a limestone canyon from the upper Cretaceous period. Okay, sige na. Yan na yan. Nafintas nga. Do not throw coins into the water. Oh, quiet siya.
Nature does not care about your money.
True. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Nagdaklo na si Danny.
Mama, can you put your fingers away, please? Don't throw coins into the water. Nature does not care for your money. When you throw it into the water, you are polluting the area.
Especially
Especially the fine sediments and,
and two far barriers.
If you want to help somebody by giving them money, please do.
True.
No queue jumping.
Groups. Okay, so here we have a souvenir shop. Kusjaka Drug. Ano yung oras niya first flight? Samo Jeddah versus single trip only. Oh, so we will stop there. Kasi single trip hindi yan babalik. End of the first trip. Next trip is to take the Vanka going to the other destination. So bye and see you on the next vlog. Remember in Switzerland, yan na pa nyo nagtugaw. Ayan, so malapit na kami sa end.